They did my siding and they did my roof and did basically the whole outside of the house, and they completed the job. It was terrific. I had a couple competitors here and they gave me estimates, but it never covered the siding, okay, where they did cover the siding. And as far as pricing goes for the roof, they outdid everybody. They cleaned up afterwards. They did everything I asked them to do. The guys were very nice, very refined, and I couldn't be happier. And they dealt with the insurance companies. I didn't have to deal with them, which is dealing with insurance companies, a lot of aggravation. So Global took care of the aggravation. No leaks, no problems. Everything's working out great, and they matched up everything perfectly. I want to mention Aaron. He was outstanding. He watched everything. He followed through. If I needed anything, I called him, and he did it for me. And the girls in the office were terrific. To be honest with you, I told my neighbor over there, I told my neighbor over there, and they all used them. So that's the reference they got from me. Global, I gotta thank you. You made me happy, but most important, you made my wife happy. So I want to thank you for everything you did and all your follow through.